Karibuni sana katika GMTV, pale ambapo tutakupatia habari tofauti tofauti ambazo zinachipuka hivi karibuni. Hivi karibuni tumeanza kusikia kwamba ambaye ni advisor wa William Ruto ambaye anaitwa Moses Kuria ameweza kukiria kwamba hakutakuwa na uchaguzi mwaka wa 2027, huku akisema mambo itakuwa tofauti. Hebu tusikize maoni yake pale akihojiwa na Jeff Koinange. Hebu tusikize maneno ya Moses Kuria.
And let me shock you. Going to be an election in 2027 for presidential. Yes, there's not going to be a contest. So 2027 will be another moment like 2002. There's not going to be an election in the sense that you are thinking. There's going to be so much consensus in the country. Wazee wataketi chini. They say we have two options. Go Rwanda way, destroy the nation Rwanda way, or let's agree. Let there be honor among men and women. Because the opportunity rose. The alternative will be too dire to fathom. So people will say now, before we go this direction, there's going to be so much consensus around 2027. And the kind of election people are imagining is going to be there. It's not going to be like 2022. It's not going to be like 2017. It's not going to be like 2013. There will be so much consensus for the need of people to say there will be two factors driving that consensus. One is that danger that really if we cross the precipice there, and the way without a consensus, things might be so bad. He said it the wrong way, but I think he said it for the wrong reason, because of election stealing and all that. No, there's going the opportunity, the possibility of us jumping over the cliff if we don't manage 2027 right is more dangerous than 2207 and all these other things. And that will be the impetus, that will be the incentive that is going to make people sit around the table and say, to save this country.
Asanteni sana kwa kusikiza GMTV. Mwendelea kuwatch video zetu na tunazidi kuwaletea habari moto moto. Asanteni sana.